friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making ground beef stir fry. For this easy stir fry, we need ground beef, so it's about a pound here, and we're going to add vegetables. So I'm going to use onion, bell peppers, and snow peas, and you can use any stir fry veggies you'd like. And for the flavorings, I'll use ginger and garlic. And you can also use ground ginger and ground garlic if you want to make it easier. And for the sauce, I will use soy sauce. I'm using a low sodium one. You can use regular one, totally up to you. A little bit of honey and of course starch to thicken the sauce. And I will use some olive oil for frying, particularly for frying the vegetables. So here are my ingredients. And again, all the quantities are pretty flexible. Feel free to adjust to your taste. So I'm going to start by cooking ground beef. So I'm going to turn the heat on high. This is a non-stick pan. And I will add ground beef. And I will cook it until it's done. And meanwhile, while it's cooking, I'm going to prepare the vegetables. So I will wash the snow peas and bell peppers before making the video. And I peeled ginger and peeled garlic. So now I'm going to peel onion and slice it. So this is a big red onion, very good in stir fries. So when you have different veggies, they cook in different amounts of time. So the onion and bell peppers, I can cook them together. They take about the same amount to cook, but snow peas cook quicker. So I'm going to first cook onions and peppers together and add the snow peas later. But I will prepare all the veggies right now. So for bell peppers, I cut them in half and I will remove the seeds and stem. And now I will slice the peppers into strips. So now this beef is sizzling in a frying pan, so I'm going to flip it, break it up. And I will reduce the heat to medium high. So now cook it stirring every minute until the beef is fully browned and fully cooked. So now this beef is fully cooked. From like the time I put it in the pan to now, it was about 10 minutes. So as you could see, it's fully browned, no longer pink. So once it's cooked, let's remove it from the pan and now cook the veggies. So first I'll remove the beef. Let me turn off the heat for now. So as you can see, this ground beef was lean, so I don't really have much beef grease in the pan. So if you had ground beef with higher fat contents, you would have a lot of grease, so you can just use it to fry the veggies. But if you don't have much grease, you can just also add a little bit of oil. Totally up to you. This is just for frying and for flavor. And I will now add my peppers and onions. And turn the heat on medium-high. So I will cook these veggies, stirring every minute until they're tender, yet still crisp. You don't want to overcook them because stir-fried veggies should still be crisp, but they should just be tender enough to your liking. And now while the veggies are cooking, I'm going to make the stir-fry sauce. I'm going to use a food processor to make it. It just makes things easier, but if you don't have it, totally fine too. So if you are not using a food processor, you would just need to mince the ginger and garlic or use the powdered spices. But since I do have this blender, it's just going to be super easy to blend it all together. So I'll put my piece of ginger, 2 garlic cloves. I'm going to use half a cup of water. You can also use chicken broth or beef broth instead of water, but I feel like this is still super flavorful with garlic and ginger, so I think using just water is simple and still tastes great in this sauce. And I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce. I measured out 1/4 of a cup. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey. And I will also add a tablespoon of cornstarch. And now I'm going to blend all the sauce ingredients together. And I will set the sauce aside until the very end. So now I'll just mix the veggies. So I'm going to cook them, mixing every minute until they're tender enough to my liking. So these veggies have been cooking for about 5 minutes. So they're still pretty crisp, but they're almost cooked. So at this point, I'm going to add the snow peas because snow peas just stay a couple of minutes and mix. And cook them for a few minutes until the snow peas are also tender enough to your liking. Snow peas should still remain pretty crisp. So after 2 minutes of cooking and mixing, those snow peas, they're ready. And now I'm going to add the meat. And now I'm going to add the sauce. And just mix everything until combined. And cook stirring like this for another minute. So now basically the sauce is fully thickened, everything is coated with the sauce, and this ground beef stir fry is ready. And feel free to adjust seasonings. So if you tried, if you think it needs more salt, feel free to add or any other spices you like. Pepper, red pepper flakes, totally up to you. It's a very flexible and easy recipe. So now I'm going to turn off the heat. Look how good it looks. A ground beef stir fry. So easy. Looks perfect. So now let's remove it to the frying pan, from the frying pan. Perfect. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. I love a good stir fry. Now let's try it. So good. It's so full of flavor, perfectly seasoned. And this ground beef is so tender and goes so great with the veggies. Super easy and super delicious recipe. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!